Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Mr. P.
And I'm Jenny. Hi, everyone.
Today, we have a very important lesson. We're going to learn how to talk about yourself in English.
Yes, talking about yourself means introducing yourself and sharing information about who you are.
This is one of the first things you need to know in English.
When you meet new people, when you go to a new job, when you make new friends, you need to introduce yourself.
So today, we'll teach you step by step. Are you ready, Jenny?
Yes, let's help our listeners introduce themselves confidently.
Section 1. Basic information. Name and age. Okay, first, the most important thing, your name.
There are two easy ways to say your name. First way, my name is.
For example, my name is Mr. P. Try it. Say, my name is, and then your name.
The second way is shorter. I'm. For example, I'm Jenny.
I'm is short for I am. Both are correct. My name is Jenny or I'm Jenny.
In casual situations, people usually say I'm. It's more friendly and relaxed.
Now, what about your age? How do you say how old you are?
You say, I'm number years old. For example, I'm 25 years old.
Let me try. I'm 28 years old. Easy, right?
You can also say just the number. I'm 25. This is more casual.
So let's practice together. Say, my name is, your name, I'm years old.
For example, my name is Jenny. I'm 26 years old.
Or the casual way. I'm Mr. P. I'm 28.
Perfect. That's the basic introduction.
Section 2. Where you're from. Next, important information. Where are you from? Your nationality and country.
To talk about your country, say, I'm from country.
For example, I'm from Cambodia, or I'm from Thailand.
You can also say your nationality. I'm Cambodian, or I'm Thai.
What's the difference between country and nationality?
Country is the place. Cambodia, Thailand, Vietnam, China, America, England.
Nationality is the adjective describing people from that country. Cambodian, Thai, Vietnamese, Chinese, American, English.
For example, I'm from Cambodia. I'm Cambodian.
Another example, I'm from Japan. I'm Japanese.
You can also talk about your city. Say, I live in city.
For example, I live in Phnom Penh, or I live in Bangkok.
Or you can combine everything. I'm from Cambodia. I live in Phnom Penh.
Let's practice. Say, I'm from country. I live in city.
Demonstrates, I'm from Cambodia. I live in Phnom Penh.
Demonstrates, I'm from Thailand. I live in Bangkok.
Great. Now people know where you're from.
Section 3. Your job or studies. Now let's talk about what you do, your job or studies.
If you have a job, say, I'm a job, or I work as a job.
For example, I'm a teacher, or I work as a teacher.
More examples, I'm a doctor, I'm a nurse, I'm an engineer.
I'm a student, I'm a driver, I'm a chef.
Notice we use a before the job. I'm a teacher, not just I'm teacher.
What if you're a student? How do you say that?
Say, I'm a student. Then you can add, I study at school or university.
For example, I'm a student. I study at the Royal University.
Or, I'm a student. I study medicine. This tells what subject you study.
You can also say where you work. I work at, company, or place.
For example, I work at a hospital, or I work at a bank.
Or with the company name. I work at Google, or I work at Toyota.
What if you don't have a job right now?
You can say, I'm looking for a job, or I'm between jobs.
Or, honestly, I'm not working right now. That's okay too.
Let's practice positive things. Say, I like plus hobby plus hobby.
For example, I like playing video games and watching sports.
I like reading books and listening to podcasts.
Section 4. Hobbies and interests.
Now the fun part, talking about your hobbies and what you like.
Hobbies are activities you do for fun in your free time.
To talk about hobbies, say, I like plus activity, or I enjoy plus activity.
For example, I like reading. I like playing sports. I like watching movies.
Notice we add ing to the verb. I like reading. I enjoy playing.
More examples. I like cooking. I like traveling. I like listening to music.
I enjoy swimming. I enjoy drawing. I enjoy dancing.
You can also say, my hobby is activity.
For example, my hobby is photography. My hobby is gardening.
Or talk about multiple hobbies. I like reading and watching movies.
I like cooking and traveling.
You can also say what you don't like. Say, I don't like activity.
Googles, I don't like exercising. Laughs, that's true for me.
Laughs, Mr. P, you should exercise, but it's good to be honest.
I don't like waking up early. That's also true. Both laugh.
Let's practice positive things. Say, I like hobby and hobby.
For example, I like playing video games and watching sports.
I like reading books and listening to podcasts.
Section 5. Family.
Now let's talk about family. This is common in introductions too.
To talk about your family, start with I have, number, family members.
For example, I have 2 brothers. I have 1 sister.
I have 1 brother and 1 sister.
You can talk about parents. Say, I live with my parents, or I live with my family.
Or if you live alone, I live alone, or I live by myself.
If you're married, say, I'm married. I have a husband, or I have a wife.
If you're single, I'm single. This means not married, no boyfriend or girlfriend.
You can also talk about pets. I have a dog. I have a cat. I have 2 cats.
Excited. Pets are family too.
Simple family introduction. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. I live with my parents.
Or, I'm married, I have 1 daughter, we have a dog.
Keep it simple. You don't need to share everything, just basic information.
Section 6. Putting it all together. Okay, now let's put everything together, a complete introduction.
I'll go first. Listen to my full introduction. Demonstrates clearly. Hello, my name is Jenny. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Cambodia. I live in Phnom Penh. I'm a teacher. I work at a language school. I like reading and yoga. I have 1 brother. Nice to meet you.
Claps. Perfect. That's a complete introduction. Now let me try. Demonstrates. Hi, I'm Mr. P. I'm 28 years old. I'm from Thailand, but I live in Cambodia now. I'm a podcast host. I like playing video games and watching movies. I don't like exercising. Giggles. I live with my family. Nice to meet you.
Laughs. Great. See, it's not difficult.
Breakdown of the structure. Step 1. Name and age. My name is, I'm years old.
Step 2. Where you're from. I'm from, I live in.
Step 3. Your job or studies. I'm a, I work at.
Step 4. Your hobbies. I like, I enjoy.
Step 5. Optional, family or pets. I have. Step 6. End with, nice to meet you, or pleased to meet you.
You don't need to include everything. Choose what feels comfortable.
In a casual situation, you can keep it very short. Quick version. Hi, I'm Mr. P. I'm from Thailand. I'm a podcast host. Nice to meet you.
In a formal situation, like a job interview, you can add more details. Formal version. Good morning. My name is Jenny. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Cambodia. I studied education at university. I'm currently working as an English teacher. I have 3 years of experience. I enjoy helping students learn. Thank you.
See the difference? Casual versus formal.